details. But I was able to practice it and parang nababasa ka na. Tinawag ko na lahat ng santo. That's funny. Let's join my team. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung anong oras yung prelims namin. If once Miss Cosmo announces, I'm gonna repost it so all of you can see. Yeah. Yeah, I hope so too. Gumaling na ako. Pero kahit anong mangyari, laban lang. That is my mantra. I mean, today. Yes, laban lang. Pinaglalaban niyo ako pag lalaban ko kayo. Hindi ko pa na-try maglakad. Kasi the last 4 or 5 days, I've been limping. Tapos I only use yung dulo ng paa ko sa kanan. So like that. Tapos, yesterday, when we did MRI, a doctor said I have to wear crutches for a month. So, hindi ko pa siya na-try ilakad. But my plan is tomorrow I will practice na maglakad. I feel like I've lost some leg muscles nga because I haven't been using it as much. Like I've been resting a lot. Yeah. Actually, my doctor suggested that I can inject steroids on my foot and that would help para hindi ko siya maramdaman. Yun nga, I'll do that just to help also. Like trust, I'm doing everything I can on my end. Like I've been doing ice compress religiously, like every 2 to 3 hours, and like I rested a lot. I have an ankle support. I take my medicine properly. Kasi diba, ang lapit na. Oh my God, like, it's almost the finish line. Tapos ngayon pa ako susuko. No. How was the interview? It was actually really good. I feel like I was relaxed and I was able to talk about the things that are important to me for them to get to know me also. And 5 minutes each, girl. There is a timer na pagpasok mo, magsisimula yung timer, 5 minutes. And then they just ask you a bunch of questions, 5 judges. Yeah, tapos tatanungin ka lang nila, and then you answer, and then that's it. Like, nothing crazy. It's basically like all the closed door interviews, but Hard Nas is super beautiful. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Well, she was talking to me like I'm trying hard not to get lost in her eyes because like her eyes are just so beautiful. Yeah, Mac Tumang. Mac Tumang for both prelims and finals. Yeah, Hard Nas is so beautiful. She was there kanina. She asked me a few questions. And whenever I would answer, she's just smiling. So I'm like, I feel in a sense comforted also that I'm saying the right thing. It's just because she's like so beautiful and like her aura is like very friendly. May video pala kaya upload.